Hi there, students. Trickle. To trickle as a verb, or a trickle as a noun. Okay, so to trickle means to flow in a very small stream, to drip continuously. Drop, drop, drop. A trickle of water flowed down the window. And you can also use it the other way round. You can use it meaning to pour a liquid or in a very small stream, or just to pour drops on it. So when you make mayonnaise, a lot of people have problems when I say this word, mayonnaise, this white thing you make with egg yolks and oil. When you make mayonnaise, you need to trickle the oil into it, to add very slowly, a very thin flow, okay? And then a trickle, a very slow flow of something. But then we use this figuratively as well, meaning to move very slowly. But particularly to trickle in, to trickle out, to trickle away. So, for example, at 6 p.m. there was a huge amount of traffic, but by midnight the traffic was just a trickle, a very little flow. Okay, so this word trickle, it means to flow or to move, but only in a very small amount, yeah, but only at a very slow rate, little by little. The donations began to trickle in, but they didn't flood in. Okay, so the opposite of trickle is to flood. People didn't really enjoy the party, and they slowly began to trickle away, to leave in ones or twos. Yeah. Okay, so to trickle away, the people began to leave. Okay, so if something trickles, it flows slowly, but without great strength, and just the tiniest bit. Blood trickled from the cut, came out very slowly. Yeah, blood tends to trickle, it doesn't tend to gush. It hadn't rained for weeks, and the enormous river was nothing more than a trickle. Okay, so then figuratively, to move in small numbers, to trickle in, to trickle out. People trickled in, people trickled out, just a few. They trickled back home, they trickled away. The money in my account seems to trickle away slowly, and then each time I look, there's just a little bit less. So it's talking about about small numbers of people or things arriving or leaving or moving in some direction. Early in the day, the shop has very few customers. Yeah, just a small trickle of customers. The reports began to trickle in. They didn't come in hundreds, just a few. Yeah, so to trickle back, to return. So after the war, people trickled back to the city, yeah, to trickle in. Information trickled in. To trickle out, to escape. So the information trickled out, but they didn't give a very all of the information at once. Okay, so to trickle of a liquid, a slow stream, a drip, a dribble, a drizzle. Yeah, a very small flow. Yeah, and the same with to come and go or appear, but slowly and gradually. As the film was going to start soon, and people started to trickle in. Yeah, and then as a noun, a trickle of blood. Very often they use this word to trickle down, as in they say that wealth trickles down from the rich to the poorer people. You also have a trickle charger, yeah, which is something that recharges something, but with a very low, with a very small current, a very tiny current. A tear trickled down his cheek. Yeah, raindrops trickled down the window. They dribbled down, if you like. Donations are trickling in. Yeah, the the people after the party, people trickled away slowly. Yeah, he put his hand in the rice and let it trickle through his fingers to run in slow, small, thin streams. Okay, so trickle. Formality, 5 out of 10. Use it absolutely anywhere. A regular verb. It has trickled, it trickled. And then as to origin, the origin is less clear. In some sources say that it's is onomatopoeic. It sounds like water trickling slowly. Trickle, 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 trickle. Maybe it is. Or maybe it's from the verb strickle, which normally was a very slow flow of tears. Yeah, maybe related to the word to strike, meaning to hit. Okay, so to trickle, a verb, a trickle, a slow flow of something. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trickle.